What is up guys, welcome to the Belgian Blue Academy. Today we'll be having a slightly different video where we'll be taking a look at the cryptocurrency market, more specifically Ethereum.
I'm not a gold digger, I am a Ethereum and Bitcoin digger. So if you have any of those, كلمني يا بابي, كلمني يا حبيبي.
Which has been riding a huge upward trend recently. We're going to be looking at recent news, the financials that make Ethereum so popular, and give our future price predictions. Ethereum is among the most widely held coins in the cryptocurrency market and has the bullish backing of the majority of crypto experts. We are also seeing a huge trend of otherwise recognized investors such as Mark Cuban and Kevin O'Leary that have been outlining why they feel this coin is a very attractive investment. This seems to be opening the eyes of people that have had no cryptocurrency experiences, as people are realizing just how profitable this market can be.
Ethereum right now has an advantage over Bitcoin as a store of value and transactional, because as more people get into NFTs, all they're going to know is Ethereum. And they're all going to have to buy Ethereum in order to do it, right?
Wow. Okay. So you think Ether has an advantage over Bitcoin as a store of value?
Right now, for new people coming in, yes.
Wow.
Because, Jen, here's my logic, and I know everybody's going to bitch at me, right? So if I decide I like digital art, how do I buy digital art?
With Ether.
Yeah. And if there's thousands of people a day, 2,000 people a day coming in, relative to the size of the number of people doing this, right? That's impactful. Because every now and then, one of them is going to be a whale and they're going to buy 1,000 Ether, right? And because they want to go out there and be able to buy that big artwork. And then on top of that, you're going to start to see music and entertainment videos and movies, for that matter, posted on OpenSea or Rarible or wherever, right? Because that's a better way to sell it. And what are they going to see? And what are they going to have to do if they want to do their own store? They're going to have to spend their $500 or $600 in Ethereum, right? You know, half an ETH just to be able to play the game. There's nothing in this ecosystem that says you have to buy Bitcoin first in order to transact or do something within DeFi.
Between Bitcoin and ETH, is it split like halfway, or do you own more of one or the other?
I own more ETH in terms of just number of ETH. I own more in dollar in Bitcoin. But that's changing as I'll wait for a little pullback on Ethereum since it's had a run up. But I just bought some Aave yesterday.
Nice.
And so right before it's run up. So I've been buying Aave for a while. But I'd say if I'm going to buy new stuff, that's probably a better way to answer it. I'd buy Ethereum on a pullback before I buy Bitcoin. And so when Bitcoin pulled back to 30,000, I didn't buy more. When Ethereum pulled back to 1,000, I did buy more. And if it did that again, I would buy more, because for the very reasons we discussed. I think Ethereum is going up and up and up and up because that's the easiest way to yield farm. Bitcoin is not an easy way to yield farm for most people, right? You've got to do your swaps and But Ethereum is easy. And, and that's become the currency for all your swaps or most swaps, right? And it's become the currency for a lot of, smart contracts. And so people are seeing that. And as more people are coming in, I think that's why, I've owned a lot of Ethereum since they started doing smart contracts for, over 3 years, whatever it's been. Maybe I don't know all the dates but anyways. But yeah, so I think Ethereum right now has an advantage over Bitcoin in terms of regular people, not as a store of value and transactional, because as more people get into NFTs, all they're going to know is Ethereum. And they're all going to have to buy Ethereum in order to do it, right?
Ethereum has also been predicted by ex-ARK Invest analyst James Wang to hit a price of $40,000 per coin. Ethereum has experienced a huge bull run in the last week, rising from roughly $2,700 per coin to over $3,500 currently. This time last year, it was listed at $180 a coin, showing its huge growth potential and exciting investors as to where it could go next. Ethereum is today the largest blockchain optimized for programmability. This means the coin has an ability to be transferred in a way that physical assets cannot, by incorporating conditions that have been fulfilled before payment is made. So for example, with physical assets, party A transfers money to party B to fulfill payment. But with Ethereum conditions, party A will pay party B only once party C approves the transaction, and this can be incorporated and programmed into each transaction. This gives the coin a huge practical use and points to future growth, as it may be a much more practical and efficient way for payment to be made, rather than transferring flat money. The coin also has a smart contract functionality, which will allow usage under pretty much any circumstance. As far as the numbers go, Ethereum is the second largest crypto market with a cap of $414 billion. It also has an almost 2,000% growth rate year on year, an average volume of between 40 and 50 billion. It has an unlimited supply of coins, but a maximum annual supply of 18 million. Some recent news is that Ethereum has had a $121 million bond with investment banks in Europe. It has also been consolidating between $3,225 and $3,530 on the 4-hour charts today, but it now looks like it will rally from here and retest its all-time high and hopefully go beyond. The founder, Vitalik Buterin, just became a billionaire at age 27. Ethereum has also had a major rise in institutional investment, and institutional investors have also been predicting a rise to $40,000 per coin. Ethereum 2.0 was announced, and it aims to increase speed accessibility. And on top of all of this, Ethereum is now also being likened to possibly following in Bitcoin's steps in regards to growth. Its practicality and the foundations behind the coin make it very plausible that this one day may be one of the world's leading currencies. I'm very bullish on Ethereum and have doubled down my position in the last week, raising my average cost as I feel it will break $10,000 per coin pretty easily this year. As far as the chart goes, not much has been happening. It has support levels at different intervals from 2,600 up to around 3,200, and I feel it will bounce back between 3,000 and 3,200 in the coming days, to then rally to 5,000 in the next 2 weeks. If you enjoy this type of content, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, as it helps out the algorithm, and feel free to message me on the Discord of my good friend Matt Knowledge. The link to his Discord and his channel will be in the description below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.